So here the admin can access the categories and cannot access the products. This person, the Microsoft is a user and can access the products and cannot access the categories. So now we have to also hide this from the user. Okay, so what we have to do here. Okay, so the easiest will be if we can simply give it a middleware like before enter, or we can copy the same one from here. So if auth dot, if we come here and check what we have inside our auth service, get access token, get profile, as login, sector. Okay, so we need one more thing to get the user role. So let's get this and get user scope or role or anything. So token this and then the user, and I think it's a user, and then the role. But we can double check this console, and we can check this one here. So get user role. Let's console this. Let's reload this one. Inside our console, we got the user. Okay, so now we can place a check here if after get user role equal to administrator. Let me double check it for what role we are giving to the administrator. It's this one. Let's copy this, paste it here. So if author get user role equal to administrator, then it should go next. Otherwise, it will go to 404. And here we can define the 404 something like this, like path, and the path, if any, then we can give the name 404, and we can display component something like import view slash view, and we now need to create this. Copy this, and inside of views, new file 404.view, and let's say template. Editor, container. You can design a better for this 404, and row, empty file, then card body, over 4, let's say 3 over 4, and then view page not found after n2 slash home, go back, go home, go back to home, go to dashboard. Okay, so now this is fine. And the other thing we have to do the same thing for the other. Well, let's copy this, paste it here. Let's remove this, insert this user. Okay, and we can simply define another block, and we can give this middleware. It's totally up to you, whatever you want to do. Just these are just an examples, okay? So the user will now be able to access this one and not this one, okay? If we try, if I reload this, I should be redirected to 404. Yeah, and if I click this, I'm coming back to here, okay? So if I click again, I am getting here. And if I try from the browser, from the URL, still I cannot get this, okay? So now the time is the same is true for this one. If I go to products, I cannot go here. Yeah, so I cannot go from here too. Now the other thing is to remove this this categories. So we just need to use our VF here, like VF, and our store contain this already store.state.profile.role equal to administrator, and this one should be user. If I reload this, and also this one, so I don't see products anymore here, and I don't see categories anymore here. So you already got about the middlewares and vuejs, and you already got the things about the scope of the Laravel passport token scope. So these are all are set for this tutorial, and we will continue further in the next tutorials, like forgot password and sending emails to the user with the code and all those steps we will do in the next tutorials. Thank you for watching.